Today we are talking about Katteb and the lifetime deal on AppSumo, which help you to write fact-checked AI article in just few minutes. If you want to create content fast but still want it to be accurate and trustworthy, then Katteb is one of the best tools for that. Many AI writers can create content that sounds good but is not always correct. Katteb focuses on writing content that is checked with real information, which makes your article more reliable and more professional. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find useful offers that saves you money and time. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the description for the discounted offer link. You don't need to use any code because the discount will be applied automatically when you use the link from the description. Now let's talk about the Katteb and why it is different from other AI writing tools. When you write with normal AI, you always worry about if the information is true or not. You might check Google again and again, and that takes extra time. Katteb solves this by using fact-checking in the writing process. It tries to pull the real data and give you the content that is more accurate. This is very helpful when you write blog post, product review, or content that people will trust and read carefully. Another strong point of Katteb is its very simple interface. Even if you are a beginner, you can use it without any confusion. You will start by choosing your topic, then you write a small description, and the AI generates your article in a clean and readable format. You can also expand your sections, rewrite the parts, and adjust the tone easily. Everything feels very fast and smooth. The SEO-focused writing is another big advantage. Katteb helps you to structure your article with proper heading, keyword placement, and readable paragraph. This makes your content more friendly for search engine. If your goal is to rank your blog or website with organic traffic, this feature gives you a strong start. For product writers and e-commerce owners, Katteb also offers tools to generate product description quickly. You can turn these simple product details into a clean and attractive description that helps the customer to understand what they are buying. And the speed is pretty impressive. You can write long article in just few minutes, and it helps you to publish more content in a less time. If you are a content creator, freelancer, or blogger, it will save you many hours of time in every week. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal on AppSumo. AI writing tools normally charges every month and the cost increases when you write more content. Katteb's lifetime deal on AppSumo, this removes that problem. You pay only once and then you can keep using the tool without worrying about monthly bills. And this makes it a very affordable for the long-term option, especially if you plan to write regularly. If you want the accurate, fast, and simple AI writing with a focus on fact-checking, then Katteb is a very strong choice. It helps you to create reliable content that feels natural and trustworthy even when you are working under pressure or deadlines. So if you want to grab the lifetime deal, you can check the link from the description. When you use our link from the description, the discount is applied automatically, so no code is needed. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Easy Access Tech channel helping you to discover simple tools for your business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the deal link. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.